Imagine this for a moment. It's early morning. The sun is still low on the horizon, and you're parked beside a quiet, peaceful lake. You slide open the side door, step outside with a warm cup of coffee in your hand, and behind you sits your compact home on wheels. Perfectly warm, beautifully designed, and ready to take you anywhere you want to go. That feeling, that freedom, that slow and calm beginning to a new day. This is exactly what the 2026 Elddis Whirlwind 115 is built for. Today, we're taking a deep look at one of the most surprisingly spacious compact campers of the year. A motorhome that looks small from the outside, but reveals a bright, modern, and incredibly well-designed interior once you step inside. So sit back, relax, and imagine your next adventure as we walk through the complete tour of the Elddis Whirlwind 115, from the exterior to every corner of its impressive interior. Let's begin with the outside. The Whirlwind 115 sits on a clean, low-profile body that makes it incredibly easy to drive, even for someone who has never owned a motorhome before. It carries that familiar Elddis design, smooth lines, modern curves, and sharp LED lighting that gives it a premium, almost SUV-like appearance. Its compact size means you can maneuver through tight European streets, slip into small-town parking bays, and drive long distances without feeling overwhelmed by the size of the vehicle. Yet, somehow, it never feels too small, and that balance is the magic of the 115. Wide mirrors give excellent road visibility, the stance feels solid and confident, and the overall build quality clearly communicates that this model is built for real-life travel, not just showroom display. But the real, amazing part begins the moment you open the door. Step inside, and Elddis immediately shows why this model stands out. The first thing that hits you is how bright and airy the entire living space feels. Large windows let natural light pour into the cabin, giving it a welcoming, refreshing atmosphere. The combination of lightwood tones, soft fabrics, and tasteful design choices makes the interior feel like a cozy modern studio apartment rather than a compact motorhome. At the front, you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious lounge area with two long, comfortable sofas facing each other. This is where the Whirlwind 115 really shines. Despite being a smaller motorhome, the lounge feels genuinely open, perfect for relaxing after a long drive or spending an evening reading or enjoying a warm meal. The cushions are thick and supportive, the upholstery feels premium, and the stitching adds a clean, refined look. Swivel the cab seats around, and suddenly you have a full social space, ideal for two travelers, or even entertaining a couple of friends while parked at a campsite. The removable table slots in easily and gives you a sturdy place to eat, work, or plan your next route. It's simple, it's comfortable, and it feels like home. Just behind the lounge, you'll find the kitchen, and this is another area where Elddis proves they understand what travelers need. The kitchen is compact, of course, but exceptionally practical. You get a full-size fridge for real groceries, a 3-burner gas hob, an oven, and a deep stainless steel sink. Everything you need to prepare proper meals on the road. The countertop space is surprisingly good thanks to clever layout choices, and storage drawers and cabinets are placed thoughtfully, so you can easily keep everything organized. The kitchen doesn't feel cramped or like an afterthought. It's a genuinely usable workspace for anyone who enjoys cooking, whether it's a quick breakfast or a proper dinner after a long day of travel. Now let's step into one of the most impressive areas for a motorhome of this size, the bathroom. Compact motorhomes often sacrifice bathroom quality, but the Whirlwind 115 does not. The washroom here is bright, functional, and well-designed. You get a proper toilet, a sink, storage shelves, good lighting, and a shower setup that works for everyday use. The folding doors and well-positioned fixtures give you more space to move around than you'd expect, and everything feels clean, practical, and easy to maintain. Elddis includes small thoughtful touches like coat hooks, mirror space, and efficient ventilation, making the washroom feel like a genuinely comfortable part of the motorhome rather than just a necessity squeezed into the corner. When nighttime comes, the front lounge converts into a large and comfortable double bed. The cushions align neatly to create a flat and supportive sleeping surface, and the wide surrounding windows give you a beautiful view if you like waking up with natural light. Whether you're sleeping near the coast, in the mountains, or somewhere remote under a starry sky, the sleeping area gives you that peaceful, cocoon-like feeling that makes motorhome travel so special. The bed setup is quick, secure, and designed with comfort in mind, so you never feel like you're compromising between size and sleep quality. Storage is another area where the Whirlwind 115 surprises you. For its compact exterior dimensions, it offers plenty of storage space. You get overhead lockers throughout the lounge, deep storage compartments under the sofas, a wardrobe for clothing, and a well-organized mix of drawers and cabinets in the kitchen. Even the bathroom has practical shelf space. Everything opens smoothly, secures well during travel, and lets you bring along everything you need. Whether that's camping gear, food supplies, photography equipment, or travel essentials. So what makes the 2026 Elddis Whirlwind 115 stand out compared to other compact motorhomes? First, the interior brightness and sense of space are exceptional for this class. Many compact models feel crowded or dark, but this one feels genuinely open and refreshing. Second, the lounge comfort is outstanding. Those long sofas create a true living room feeling. Third, the kitchen is more fully equipped than most compact competitors, making it perfect for real cooking. And finally, the overall driving experience, maneuverability, and build quality make it ideal for couples or solo travelers who want a smaller motorhome without giving up comfort or convenience. It's a lifestyle-focused motorhome, one that prioritizes real travel experiences rather than just technical specs. Before we wrap up, I'd love to know, would you choose a compact camper like the Whirlwind 115, or do you prefer bigger motorhomes with more space? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I always enjoy hearing which models you connect with the most. As you travel through coastal roads, quiet forests, or remote countryside spots, the Elddis Whirlwind 115 becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes your private little world, warm, comfortable, simple, and always ready for the next sunrise. It's built for people who love freedom, who love moments more than luxuries, and who want a motorhome that blends practicality with comfort. The 2026 Whirlwind 115 delivers that experience beautifully. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more motorhome and camper reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.